Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So cancel this 10 by this 10, okay? Therefore 10 divided 5 is equal to 2, okay? But this answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this expression correctly by using PEMDAS rule, okay? So PEMDAS means P means parenthesis, E means exponent, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So here multiplication and division have same priority, and here addition and subtraction have same priority. Okay. Therefore multiplication and division have same priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So here first we have to solve division, and then we have to solve multiplication, because we have to solve left to right. Okay. So then now according to KCF rule, K means keep, C means change, and F means flip. Okay. Therefore, keep 10 same as it is, then change the sign from division to multiplication. Now flip this fraction. 5 by 10 is equal to, now flip this fraction, therefore 10 by 5. Okay. Multiply 10. Now cancel this 10 by 5 is equal to here 2. Therefore 10 multiply 2 multiply 10. Therefore 10 multiply 2 is equal to 20 multiply 10. Now 20 multiplied 10 is equal to 200. So the correct answer is 200. Okay.